So it's time to clean my mom's stand fan, her house-to-home stand fan. And as you can see, the blade is somewhat dirty, and the way the grill is made, sometimes it causes the airflow not to be able to push out very much. It's like restricted. So every time I clean it up, then it does better. So I'm getting ready to clean it up. Hold on. Alright, so everything is clean now. The back part of the guard is clean. The blade is now clean. The front part of the guard is clean. And these parts are clean. So now what we're going to do is put it all back together and give the fan a test run to make sure it blows air for my mom. Okay, so here we go. And let's go ahead and run it. It's back together. Run it high. Let's turn it back around where she usually have it. Where she usually have it. Have it down a little bit. And again, let's run it this time on medium. Spin down times deep. It's pretty good. Okay, yeah, it's doing good. Got it cleaned up for my mom. And spin down. Spin down time is decent. Has good bearings. Thanks for watching. God bless you and gone.